friends, today we will show you how to make a perfect whipped cream by using a heavy cream. To start with, I have taken a bowl full of ice and on the top of that I have kept a bowl in which I want to whip a cream. I have taken a half a cup of whipping cream over here. Make sure that your whipping cream is completely chilled and in a liquid form. It should not have any kind of icing crystals in it. We will start whipping our cream with the speed of 1 for a minimum 1 minute or till the time the size of whipping cream gets double. There are different types of creams available in the market. Some are low fat and some are heavy creams. For dessert decor on cakes and pastries, heavy cream is required. It is difficult to get a stabilized consistency of a cream if the room temperature is high, especially in the summer season. Now here we see that the cream has already doubled up its size. We will change the speed to 2 till the soft bake arrives. The cream is whipped till the soft bake. Now we will change the speed to 3 till the hard bake. When the cream is perfectly whipped, you can check with spatula. The cream will not fall down. Our cream is perfectly whipped now. You can check it with spatula. Even if you turn a bowl upside down, the cream will not fall. You need to keep this whipped cream for 30 minutes in the refrigerator till the time it's settled. Then it will be perfectly fine to decor any kind of cake and hold any shapes. Subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos and don't forget to click on bell icon. Thanks and have a great day.